In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix reconciliation mistakes in Xero. To do this, simply navigate to your Xero account. After accessing your Xero dashboard, in the menu navigation, go to Accounting section. In Accounting, click on Bank Accounts. In here, this will display the list of bank accounts in your company as well as its overview or status. Simply click on the button Reconcile items that corresponds to the specific bank account that you would like to select. In here, go to Account Transactions. In this tab, this will display the list of transactions that happened on this bank account. Simply select the specific transactions that you would like to fix. Let's say for this video, we'll be selecting Payment Rex Media Group. In here, you are opening further details and information regarding the transaction. Navigate to Options drop-down and click Unreconcile. When you click this, click OK. And now you have successfully unreconciled this transaction. Simply go back and navigate to that specific transactions that we have selected earlier. Payment Rex Media Group. Simply select or tick the checkbox and in here, click Remove and Redo. And that's about it. That's how to fix reconciliation mistake on Xero. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.